Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into one of the powerful yet overlooked features, Microsoft Excel. Ever find yourself drowning in a sea of endless rows and columns in Excel? Worry not, because the pivot table option in Excel will now save you hours that you would otherwise spend on interpreting the data. This is an Excel sheet having almost 700 data rows, and I'm going to use pivot table option available in Excel to interpret necessary information and data points from this Excel sheet. To start with, we are having this particular box over here that says pivot table 1. On clicking that, from here on the right hand side, we can choose the fields that we want to talk about. For example, segments, countries. The blue bar over here suggests the fields. The top row is about the fields. Segment, country, product. Over here, I'm thinking of using country, product, units sold, fields to get the information. And as you can see, I'm having information about Canada, France, Germany, Mexico, and US with the count of products they sold and the sum of units sold by each country. How easy it is to read 700 rows within less than 30 seconds. Let's play around further and select some other fields as well and see what kind of data can we extract from this. I again went to insert and pivot table. In the select table or data range, we have to select financials, the name of our document, financial sample. And this will give us the pivot table fields. From here, we can select the fields that we want the pivot table to be about. I'm selecting country, manufacturer. I'm selecting country, sale price, number of sales. So every time whenever I'm making a different selection, I'm getting different data as per my selection. Isn't it so easy to read and interpret such heavy amount of data within seconds? That's all, folks. I wanted to show you how you can create pivot tables. I hope you liked the video. In case you want to watch out my other video about analyzing data feature available in Excel to analyze data quickly, which can boost your productivity and save you loads and loads of time, then do check out the video that's showing up at the top right now. Until next time, hasta la vista, cheero.